Hi, I'm Sarah. I'll be talking about using special characters in file naming. In this RDMbite, I will show you which special characters to use and which to avoid in file names. Even though we show examples of how to name files, this information applies to naming directories and folders. As a general rule, the use of special characters in file names is avoided, where we define a special character as anything on the keyboard which is not a number or a letter. Having said this, we will explain later that the use of the full stop, the underscore, and the dash or minus sign in the file names is commonplace and is encouraged. Special characters are often assigned special properties or functions in programming languages, and also the operating system. Therefore, their use in file names can cause issues. An example of this is using the forward slash, which is used commonly to denote and delimit a directory name. In this example, the Linux haste command is used to read the first 10 lines of text file called pre-postqc. Since the file name contains a forward slash, the hit command throws an error because it attempts to look for a file called postqc under a directory called pre. This can be fixed, though, by replacing the forward slash in the file name with a dash. Here is another example where a file name containing a special character causes problems. In this example, the same hit command is used to read the top of a file called my results. In Linux, the space character is used to delimit files, so here the hit command attempts to read two files called my and results. Again, an error is thrown because two files with these names are not found. To rectify this, specific special characters can be used to replace spaces in file names. Here, we show examples where the underscore, dash, and full stop and no spaces are used. Alternatively, you can use something called camel case, where words are delimited by using an uppercase character for the start of each new word. In these examples, the Linux hit command will correctly attempt to read only one file. There are subtle conventions you can follow when choosing between the underscore, dash, and full stop. The underscore is used generally to separate words or pieces of information. In this example at the top, we show 3 files containing data for an assay performed on 3 wild-type mice. Here, there are 2 pieces of information contained in the file name. The first is a date and the second is a mouse ID. Where these pieces of information are separated by the underscore character in light green. Here, the minus sign is used also in orange to separate the year, month, and day in the first part of the file name. We are using different delimiters in this case to delimit different information in the file name. In the example at the bottom, the full stop is used also to detail successive data transformations performed on the file. This convention is common when working with files produced within analysis workflow. Please see links to additional resources alongside this video.